Magandang hapon po ng May 21, 2024 Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng May 21, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, May 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Super Lotto 649, Ultra Lotto 658, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for May 21, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 49.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 19.5 million pesos. And Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 7 million pesos for Tuesday, May 21, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for May 21, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more Lotto result update.